The Patagonian mara, also known as the Patagonian cavy or hare, is a large herbivorous rodent native to Argentina. It has long ears, a small deer-like body, and weighs 8 to 16 kilograms. The species lives in monogamous pairs, with remarkable social structure and high-speed sprinting abilities. However, it is facing near-threatened status due to human activities like habitat destruction and hunting. The Patagonian mara thrives in open and semi-open habitats, particularly in Patagonia, and has adapted well due to its long legs, reduced clavicle, and developed senses, allowing it to run and communicate effectively.